video I am going to make AMS logo. So let's start. First you write AMS. Sorry. First you write AMS and create outlines and shift plus control plus space plus right click to zoom in and space bar to drag space bar to space bar and right click to move screen. Okay, so ungroup, left click ungroup, left click ungroup, left click ungroup, and then a and object plus path plus offset path 1 pt. I apply a letter in an offset 1 pt. Okay, so and then not out not click in outside without click outside, shift plus right click pathfinder and this, sorry, minus back, this like it's super good. I think it's control Z and that's like object path offset path 1 pt, shift plus right click and minus back, this again s, this, I think this, and as arrange and send to back, this object path plus offset path and this and shift plus right click and minus back. Let's start. Control G, Control 0 and this and this. This is good logo for this. It's very good. Okay, and then this looks really good in this. I think it's super beautiful. Okay, so if you like my video, do subscribe. Thanks for watching. Done.